Today when I woke up, I felt really happy because we have snowstorm in Halifax, Nova Scotia, so all the classes are cancelled, even my exams are cancelled, and the university campus is closed. Awesome! So I can just stay home drinking coffee, do some works, and we're gonna go out. It's really crazy. We're gonna go out to take some photo shoots. Which we're not gonna die. Oh my god! Is Halifax a really cold city? So many people think about Halifax, think about Canada. They have a stereotype just like Halifax is super cold and Canada is super cold. It's like not really habitable for human beings. But from my personal experience, Halifax is actually warmer than a lot of other Canadian cities in Canada. For example, Halifax is even warmer than Toronto and Montreal. Toronto and Montreal can go down to as low as like minus 30 degrees, but here, I think the lowest point would be minus 20 because there was the ocean nearby, so the ocean affects the temperature, so make sure the temperature wouldn't drop that crazily low. But it's just relatively warmer. It doesn't mean Halifax is a warm city. Halifax, nowhere from a warm city, is still extremely cold, and if you from like tropical areas, it's gonna freeze. So be prepared for that, because winter jackets, get a nice pair of gloves, and I would recommend beanie as well. So my friend slash photographer Tassin just told me he definitely loves the snow in Halifax, Nova Scotia because he's from Bangladesh, which is a really hot and warm country. So for him, this is a really bizarre experience to see so much snow like crazy, like the world after frozen. Like, do you like the snow in Halifax, Nova Scotia?
I like to watch it from the inside, and I like the fact that I don't have to go to school and like pretend that I just
we don't have school today.
Yeah, I'm just in my room, like yeah, doing some heavy research, if you know what I mean.
Oh, snowy. Oh. So it's snowing in Halifax. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. That's snowing in Halifax, Nova Scotia 2019. Nobody's here today. University campus is closed. Everything is closed. Really at downtown Barrington Street, Halifax. It's not really cold. Not really cold. When it's really snowy, it's not cold.
We're going down to the waterfront. This is Halifax in the middle of a well, not the good anymore. We certainly have. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
We can't say anything. Nothing's working. Catastrophe.
Who the hell?
Consider Halifax. This is the weather you're gonna be covering. Look at how thick the snow is. Oh ho ho!
Let's go get some Hoyers to get warm a little bit.
Yeah, good idea.
Oh, law courts. I've been here.
Yeah, it's empty city.
So my camera's getting nice and wet. We're gonna go inside of the Tim Hortons, grab a coffee. Tassine's taking some awesome shots.
Tassin? The snow is a wind slapping on my face. It's a little bit painful. Tim Hortons getting coffee to warm up over hands. Go warm my hand. The best way to warm your hands is by coffee. What we're gonna do?
I'm gonna run outside, I'm gonna take my shirt off in the blizzard, and I'm gonna drink from this Tim Hortons cup. Wow. And it's gonna look absolutely incredible. I think it's gonna be super Canadian. And there's also a good quote there that's ultra red and will match with my cup.
Nader's gonna be shirtless. Approaching waterfront, ocean. We should go on a ferry. Yo, here, right? Sushi.
Sushi's the best. Sushi's the best. Sushi's the best.
Alright, plastic bags in my shoes. So how do you guys think about the snow today?
I think it's been
low, is that?
freaking cold. Like it was so cold, but it was a blast. We got so many good pictures.
Yeah, so we got a lot of good pictures. Nader got a lot of naked pictures. Okay, this is today's video. If you liked the video, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel. If you want to know more about Halifax, the weather here, the culture here, the food here, smash the like button and turn notification on. Okay, this is today's video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See ya. On the way home, but the bus is obviously stuck in the snow. Bus is struggling. It's not moving, it's not moving. Bus is perfectly stuck here. Look at how cute it is. We're having trouble, we can't go back home now. So if you want to live in Halifax, Nova Scotia, in winter, it happens a lot. So if you want to move to Halifax, you gotta prepare for this.